What's the meaning of aficionado? Aficionado. 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 The term aficionado refers to someone who has a passionate interest in a particular subject or activity. The word is often used to describe someone who is highly knowledgeable and enthusiastic about a particular hobby, sport, or cultural form. An aficionado is typically someone who has spent a significant amount of time studying and practicing their chosen pursuit, and who has developed a deep understanding and appreciation for it. Whether it's music, wine, literature, or any other area of interest, an aficionado is someone who embodies a true passion for their chosen field.